Hello everyone. Today we are going to study cardiotonics in pharmacognosy. Cardiotonics. In Greek, cardia means heart, and cardiotonics are the drugs which gives strength and energy to the activity of the heart. The cardiotonics increases the force of contraction of cardiac muscles and stimulate the overall activity of the heart. For example, Digitalis, Arjuna bark and squills are the examples of cardiotonic. First, Digitalis. Synonym: Digitalis leaves, foxgloves leaves. Its biological source: Digitalis consists of dried leaves of the plant known as Digitalis purpurea, belonging to family Scrophulariaceae. Leaves are dried below 60 degrees Celsius and should contain not more than 5% moisture. Its geographical distribution is cultivated majorly in European countries like England, France and also in United States. In India, its production is limited to the certain parts of Kashmir. Its color is dark greyish green, odor is light, taste is bitter and having size 10 to 14 cm length and 4 to 20 cm in width. Its shape is broadly ovate and irregular crenate margins. This is the picture of Digitalis leaf. Digitalis chemical constituents are: it contains cardiac glycosides, cardenolites as active constituent of the drug. The chief active constituent of the Digitalis are purpurea glycosides A, B, and in purpurea glycosides A, on enzymatic hydrolysis, it produces digitoxin plus glucose, and digitoxin on further hydrolysis produces digitoxygenin and digitoxose. Purpurea glycosides B on enzymatic hydrolysis produces gitoxin plus glucose, and gitoxin for further hydrolysis produces gitoxygenin and digitoxose. Chemical test for Digitalis are Killer-Kiliani test for digitoxose. Boil the powder drug with 10 ml of 70% alcohol for 3 minutes. Extract is filtered. To the filtrate, add 5 ml of water and 0.5 ml of strong solution of lead acetate. Then filter it, and to the filtrate, add equal volume of chloroform and evaporate to yield dried extractive. Dissolve the dried extractive in glacial acetic acid and few drops of ferric chloride solution to it. Transfer the above content to a test tube containing 2 ml concentrated sulfuric acid. A reddish brown layer changing to bluish green color on standing is observed. The digitoxose is confirmed, means Killer-Kiliani test is for digitoxose is confirmed here. Uses as a cardiotonic in treatment of CCF, means congestive cardiac failure, to increase the cardiac output and to relieve the venous congestion. As a diuretic, and major disadvantages of it is cumulative effect, the condition in which the repeated administration of the drug may produce effects that are more pronounced than those produced by the first dose. Hence, the dose monitoring is necessary for that. Next is Arjuna bark. Synonym: Arjuna or Arjuna bark. Having biological source, Arjuna consists of dried bark of the plant known as Terminalia arjuna, belonging to family Combretaceae. It is mainly found in the indigenous to the India and also cultivated in nearby Asian countries. In India, most common in Maharashtra, particularly in Nagpur and Dehradun. Its color: outer side greyish brown, inner side reddish brown with striations. Odor is none. Taste is astringent, and size pieces of various size and shape is flat. Having chemical constituents, Arjuna mainly contains tannins up to 15% and triterpenoids, saponins as an active constituent. The chief active constituent of the drugs are arginolic acid, argonic acid, arginogenin, and other constituents of the drug are beta-cytosterol, ellagic acid, flavonoids, salts of aluminum and calcium, magnesium, and starch, proteins, fats are inert constituents of the drug. It is used as a cardiotonic, as a diuretic, as antidysenteric, and hypotensive. Chemical test: the ether extract shows pinkish fluorescence under UV light, and Termelia tomentosa gives pale blue color. Thank you.